What's up, guys? My name is Bilal Abdul Hakim. My number study is 2003042. Uh, in this occasion, I will explain about listening and answering the question. So enjoy watch the video, and I also apologize if there a mistaken in my speech. Okay, and thank you.
Number 1.
Why did the class move to a different room?
We couldn't get into our regular classroom. Someone lost the key to it. What does the man mean?
So in this set, the woman saying, "Why did the class move to a different room?" Dia berkata, mengapa kelas berpindah kepada ruangan yang berbeda. Lalu the man saying, "We couldn't get into our regular classroom. Someone lost the key to it." What does the man mean? Si laki-laki berbicara bahwa kita akan berpindah ke kelas reguler dikarenakan seseorang menghilangkan kuncinya. Apa yang laki-laki tersebut katakan? A. They were in the regular room. B. The key was misplaced. C. He's taking a different class. D. He has the key to the classroom. Because the man saying someone lost the key to it, in this the answer kita mencari kalimat yang menyerupai seperti di soal berikut, bahwa sini menjawab seseorang menghilangkan kuncinya, dan salah satu yang berhubungan dengan lost the key adalah the key was misplaced, yaitu jadi jawabannya B.
Number 2. Do you have a book that you borrowed from Jim? I need to use it.
No, sorry, I don't. I already returned it to Jim.
Jadi the man, "Do you have the book that you borrowed from Jim? I need to use it." The woman, "No, sorry, I don't. I already returned it to Jim." What does the man mean? Si pria berkata bahwa, "Apakah kamu memiliki buku yang kamu ambil dari Jim? Aku membutuhkannya karena akan aku pakai." Lalu si wanita berkata bahwa, "Tidak, maaf tidak. Aku sudah memberikannya kepada Jim." Apa yang wanita tersebut katakan? A. She will lend it to the man. B. She never lent the book to Jim. C. Jim wants to borrow the book. D. Jim has the book. Dikarenakan si perempuan tersebut berkata bahwa I already returned it to Jim. Aku sudah memberikannya kepada Jim. Jadi jawabannya adalah D. Jim has the book. Jim sudah memiliki buku tersebut. Jadi bukunya ada di Jim.
You still writing checks?
I've written the checks for rent and electricity, but I still have a few more to take care of. What is the man most likely doing?
Nah, jadi the woman, "Are you still writing check?" Apakah kamu masih menulis cek? The man, "I've written the check for rent and electricity, but I still have a few more to take care of." Aku masih menulis cek untuk rental dan ke electricity, tetapi aku masih memiliki waktu untuk menyimpan. What is the man most likely doing? Apa yang sedang pria itu sedang lakukan? A. Paying bills. B. Talking to the landlord. C. Turning the lights off. D. Looking for an apartment. Dikarenakan dia berkata bahwa I've written the check for rent and electricity, but I still have few more to take care of. Jadi dia harus membayar tagihannya itu. A. Paying bills.
Should we leave for class now?
But it's not time for class yet.
What does the woman mean?
Should we leave for class now? Haruskah kita pergi meninggalkan kelas sekarang? But it's not time for class yet. Tapi ini belum waktunya untuk kelas. Apa yang perempuan tersebut katakan? What does the man mean? A. She has no time to go to class. B. They are already late for class. C. It's too early to go to class. D. She has to be on time for class. Dikarenakan si wanita berkata bahwa but it's not time for class yet, jadi Jawaban yang seharusnya adalah C. It's too early to go to class. Ini terlalu cepat untuk pergi ke kelas.
Is the physiology class as difficult as I've heard?
It's not terribly difficult, but it is time-consuming. What does the man mean?
Is the psychology class as difficult as I've heard? Apakah kelas psikologi sesulit yang saya dengar? It's not terribly difficult, but it is time consuming. Ini tidak terlalu sulit, tetapi membutuhkan waktu, tapi memakan waktu. Apa yang what does the man mean? Apa yang lelaki tersebut maksud? Dikarenakan si lelaki tersebut berkata bahwa kelas tersebut tidak terlalu sulit, tetapi memakan waktu yang lama. Nah, dikarenakan jawaban tersebut mencari yang sama, maka jawabannya adalah D. The class takes a lot of time. Kelas tersebut memakan banyak waktu.
These dorm rooms could certainly use a new coat of paint.
I'll say.
What does the woman mean?
The man saying these dorm rooms could certainly use a new coat of paint. Kamar asrama ini tentu saja membutuhkan lapisan cat yang baru. Lalu the woman saying, I'll say, aku akan bertanya, A, she needs a new coat. B, she likes the paint in the dorm rooms. C, she has the same opinion as the man. She left her coat in the dorm room. Mungkin yang I'll say tersebut seperti berkata bahwa saya setuju dengan pendapat yang Anda sebutkan. Jadi jawabannya adalah C. She has the same opinion as the man. Jadi dia memiliki pendapat yang sama dengan si pria bahwa kamar asrama tersebut membutuhkan lapisan cat yang baru.
Are you ready to work on the history paper?
I will be in a couple of minutes. I have to finish the math problems before I start on history. What does the man mean?
Si wanita berkata bahwa, Are you ready to work on history paper? Apakah kamu sudah siap untuk mengerjakan makalah sejarah? Lalu the man saying, I will be in a couple of minutes. Dia berkata bahwa saya akan datang beberapa menit lagi. Lalu si pria tersebut berkata bahwa I have to finish the math problem before I start on history. Aku memiliki soal matematika yang harus aku selesaikan untuk memulai sejarah. What does the man mean? Apa yang laki-laki tersebut maksud? Dikarenakan si wanita berkata bahwa apakah kamu bersiap untuk mengerjakan sejarah? Lalu si pria berkata bahwa I have to finish the math problem. Jadi sebelum dia ingin bisa mengerjakan sejarah, maka dia harus terlebih dahulu mengerjakan the math problem. Dikarenakan dia berkata bahwa I have to finish the math problem before I start on history. Jadi dia harus menyelesaikan dulu soal masalah matematika tersebut. Jadi jawabannya adalah A. He needs to complete the math assignment first. Jadi dia harus menyelesaikan matematika dulu.
Do you know where the file folders are?
Sorry, I don't. They were moved, and now I don't know where they are.
What does the woman imply about the folders?
Dia berkata bahwa, Do you know where the file folders are? Apa kamu tahu di mana file folder tersebut? Maaf. Maaf, aku tidak tahu. They were moved. Mereka sudah dipindahkan. And now I don't know where they are. Dan aku sekarang tidak tahu file tersebut ada di mana. What does the man imply about the folder? Apa yang wanita sebutkan mengenai folder? Dikarenakan A says sorry, some of them. B, she really know where they are. C, they haven't been moved. D, someone else moved them. Dikarenakan si perempuan tidak tahu file tersebut di mana, dia berkata bahwa they were moved. I don't. Si laki-laki bertanya bahwa folder di mana, si perempuan berkata bahwa sorry I don't, maaf aku tidak tahu, mereka sudah dipindahkan. Berarti karena si perempuan tersebut tidak memindahkan, berarti seseorang sudah memindahkan tersebut. Berarti jawabannya adalah D, someone else moved them. Seseorang telah memindahkan file tersebut.
Number 10.
I hope we don't have a quiz today. I'm not really very prepared on the material for today.
I don't think we will. This professor rarely, if ever, gives quizzes. What does the man mean?
So the man saying, I hope we don't have the woman saying, I hope we don't have a quiz today. Yang artinya tuh aku harap kita tidak punya quiz hari ini. Lalu I'm not really very prepared. Aku tidak begitu siap untuk materi hari ini. Lalu I don't think we will. Aku pikir saya rasa tidak. Profesor ini, this professor rarely if ever give quiz. Profesor ini jarang sekali memberikan quiz. What does the man mean? Apa yang pria maksud? A. The professor gives quizzes regularly. B. The woman is really quite prepared. C. It is unusual for this professor to give quiz. He doesn't think there's a class today. A. Profesor memberikan kuis secara teratur. B. Wanita itu sungguh-sungguh cukup siap untuk mendapatkan kuis. Tidaklah lazim bagi profesor untuk memberikan kuis. Dia pikir tidak ada kelas hari ini. Dikarenakan di soal ini semuanya membahas hal yang berada di soal seperti quiz, lalu yang B prepared seperti I'm not really prepared. Jadi kita mencari yang tidak ada. I don't think we will because I don't think we will. This was really ever give quizzes. Give ada di give nomor di A. Jawabannya adalah D. He doesn't think there's a class today.
Number 11. Have you looked at the chemistry problem yet?
Yes, and the problem was impossible to comprehend.
What does the woman mean?
So, she's saying, have you looked at the chemistry problem yet? Yes. Apakah Anda sudah mempelajari soal kimia? Ya. And the problem was impossible to comprehend. Dan masalah tersebut sangat mustahil untuk dipahami. What does the man mean? Apa yang wanita tersebut maksud? A. She could not comprehend the chemistry lecture. Dia tidak bisa begitu memahami kuliah mengenai kimia. B. She has not had time to look at the assignment. Dia tidak memiliki waktu untuk melihat tugasnya. C. It was possible for her to complete the problem. Dia sangat dapat menyelesaikan masalah tersebut. D. She could not understand the problem. Dia tidak bisa memahami masalahnya. Dikarenakan si laki-laki berbicara menanyakan apakah Anda sudah mempelajari soal kimia? Lalu jadi lebih berfokus kepada jawaban kedua, soal pertanyaan kedua, dikarenakan si wanita tersebut berkata bahwa masalahnya sangat sulit untuk dipahami, masalahnya sangat mustahil untuk dipahami. Jadi dikarenakan yang A dia berkata bahwa tidak bisa memahami, dia itu memahami kan, dia bilang bahwa masalahnya sulit untuk masalahnya mustahil untuk dipahami. Dia memahami tetapi tidak semua. Jadi jawabannya adalah D. She could not understand the problem. Jadi emang kesulitannya tuh di kurang memahami, karena dia berkata bahwa mustahil untuk dipahami. Jadi sama artian, cuman beda kalimat.
Do you know if we have to pay a fee to see the exhibit at the museum?
Not as far as I know. What does the man mean?
Do you know if we have to pay a fee to see the exhibit at the museum? Apakah kamu tahu kita harus membayar jika kita ingin melihat pameran museum? Not as far as I know. Not as far as I know. Sejauh pengetahuan saya, tidak. What does the man mean? Apa yang laki-laki tersebut maksud? A. He doesn't know how far away the exhibit is. He is uncertain about the fee. C. The exhibit is not very far away. D. He's sure the exhibit isn't free. Dikarenakan si pria berkata bahwa not as far as I know, karena dia bilang bahwa sejauh dia yang pahami. Tidak, berarti itu kan memunculkan keraguan. Nah, jadi jika memunculkan keraguan, ungkapan yang bingung, jadi jawabannya adalah B. He's uncertain about the fee. Dia tidak begitu yakin tentang biaya untuk pergi ke pameran museum.
I can't take the biology course I wanted to take this semester. It's at the same time as the chemistry course I have to take.
Why not wait to take the biology course next semester? What does the man suggest about the biology course?
Nah, the woman saying, I can't take the biology course I wanted to take this semester. Saya tidak dapat mengambil mata kuliah biologi dikarenakan saya tidak bisa mengambil mata kuliah biologi yang ingin saya ambil to take di semester ini. It's at the same time as the chemistry course I have to take. Itu bersamaan dengan mata kuliah kimia yang harus saya ambil. Why not wait to take the biology course next semester? Kenapa tidak menunggu untuk mengambil biologi di semester depan? What does the man suggest about the biology course? Why not wait to take the biology course? Jadi jawaban ini bertuju ke ungkapan yang terakhir, yaitu why not wait? Kenapa tidak menunggu? Dan di jawaban seperti yang A, not taking it at all. Tidak menunggu sama sekali. B, taking it along with chemistry. Mengambilnya bersamaan dengan kimia. Taking it later, mengambilnya nanti. Taking it instead of chemistry, mengambilnya sebagai pengganti kimia. Dikarenakan dia bilang bahwa aku tidak bisa mengambil mata kuliah biologi karena aku tidak bisa mengambil mata kuliah biologi yang ingin aku ambil di semester sekarang. Nah, dikarenakan waktunya bersamaan dengan mata kuliah kimia yang harus saya ambil. Jadi dikarenakan waktunya bertabrakan, jadi dia memikirkan bahwa akan mengambilnya nanti. Jawabannya adalah C, taking it later.
14. Where are you going now?
I'm heading to a talk by Dr. Barton. There's going to be a solar eclipse later this month. Dr. Barton's giving a talk on what to expect during the eclipse.
Who is Dr. Barton most likely to be?
Where are you going now? Kamu mau kemana sekarang? I'm heading to a talk by Dr. Barton. Aku akan menghadiri sebuah pembicaraan dari Dr. Barton. There's going to be a solar eclipse later this month. Di situ akan terjadi gerhana matahari akhir bulan ini, later this month. Dr. Barton giving a talk. Dr. Barton memberikan sebuah pembicaraan atau ceramah tentang apa yang diharapkan mengenai gerhana. Who is Dr. Barton most likely to be? Siapakah kemungkinan besar Dr. Barton? A. An astronomer. B. A physician. C. A philosopher. D. An engineer. Dikarenakan Dr. Barton, jadi kita fokus ke yang ketiga. Dr. Barton giving a talk on what to expect during the gerhana. Dikarenakan di sini di pernyataan kedua akan terjadi gerhana di akhir bulan ini. Nah, jadi cari yang berhubungan dengan dengan Dr. Barton. An engineer. Apakah insinyur akan membahas sebuah gerhana? Tentu sepertinya sedikit tidak. Filosofer seperti filsuf, fisikawan, fisika, sepertinya tidak. Dan yang paling berhubungan dengan bulan, gerhana, karena kan jadi jawabannya adalah an astronomer. Seperti kan astronomer membahas apa sih, bukan langit, kayak ya apa, bumi semacam itulah.
15. Were you expecting such a nice gift?
It couldn't have surprised me more.
What does the woman mean?
So the man saying, were you expecting such a nice gift? Apakah kamu berharap mendapatkan hadiah yang bagus? Lalu si wanita berkata, it couldn't have surprised me more. Itu benar-benar mengejutkan saya. What does the man mean? What does the woman mean? Apa yang perempuan maksud? Nothing could surprise her. Tidak ada yang bisa mengejutkan saya. B, the gift really astonished her. Hadiah itu sungguh membuatnya tercengang. C, she couldn't have gotten more gift. Dia tidak bisa melakukan hadiah lebih banyak hadiah. D, she was expecting the gift. Dia sedang menantikan hadiah itu. Nah, jadi yang ini juga sama, yang berfokus ke pernyataan yang kedua. If couldn't have surprised me more. Itu benar-benar mengejutkan saya. Mencari jawaban yang menyerupai, seperti yang mengejutkan. Nothing could surprise her. Dia tidak terkejut. Tapi di sini kan dia bilang benar-benar mengejutkan saya, mengejutkan. Berarti dia baca jawaban yang mengejutkan. Ya, berarti jawabannya adalah B. Hadiah itu sungguh membuatnya tercengang. Tercengang kan seperti kaget. Kaget kan sama kayak tidak menyangka juga, bisa kan, di surprise. Jadi, the gift really astonished her. Jadi jawabannya adalah B.
Have you been studying for long?
For hours, and I'm all worn out.
What does the woman mean?
Have you been studying for long? Apakah Anda sudah belajar dengan lama? For hours, and I'm all worn out. Berjam-jam, dan saya sekarang menjadi kelelahan. What does the woman mean? A, she's wearing a new dress. Tidak termasuk. B, she's ready to study for hours. Dia kelelahan. Masa kelelahan siap untuk belajar lagi? C, she exhausted. Dia kelelahan. D, she has studied about the war house. Dia telah mempelajari tentang perang selama berjam-jam. Mencari jawaban yang sama. For hours, and I'm all worn out. Berjam-jam, dan saya menjadi kelelahan. Dan jawaban yang paling masuk adalah C, she exhausted. Dia kelelahan, jawabannya adalah C.
Do you think that Tom's the one who should be selected for the team?
Oh, he's head and shoulders above the rest. What does the man say about Tom?
Do you think that Tom's the one who should be selected for the team? Apakah kamu pikir Tom orang yang seharusnya dipilih untuk menjadi tim atau masuk tim? Oh, his head and shoulders above the rest. Oh, dia jauh lebih unggul dibandingkan yang lain. What does the man say about Tom? A, he's really tall, dia sangat tinggi. B, he's the best, dia yang terbaik. C, he's got a good head and his shoulder. Dia mendapatkan kepala yang bagus dan pundak. D, he always use his head. Dia selalu menggunakan kepalanya. Do you think that Tom the owner should be selected for the team? Oh, his head and shoulders above the rest. Dikarenakan si pria tersebut berkata bahwa his head and shoulders above the rest. Dia jauh lebih unggul dibandingkan yang lain. Berarti seperti ungkapan bahwa dia tuh yang terbaik. Jawabannya adalah B, he's the best.
Understand what we're supposed to do for tomorrow?
Not really. The professor barely talked about the assignment. What does the man mean? 19.
Did you go to the party last night?
If I had known about it, I would have. What does the man say about the party?
Did you go to the party last night? Apakah kamu pergi ke pesta tadi malam? If I had known about it, I would have. Jika aku tahu tentang itu, aku pasti sudah mengetahuinya. What does the man say about the party? Apa yang pria itu katakan tentang pesta? A. He went to it. B. He know about it. C. He didn't know about it. D. He gave it. A. Dia pergi ke sana. B. Dia tahu tentang itu. C. Dia tidak tahu tentang itu. D. Dia memberikannya. Jadi jawabannya balik lagi ke yang pernyataan kedua, dikarenakan dia berkata bahwa if I'd known about it, I would have. Jika aku mengetahui tentang itu, aku pasti sudah mengetahuinya. Jadi apa yang berarti dia tuh nggak tahu. Jadi jawabannya adalah C. He didn't know about it.
What time it is?
I just heard the clock strike noon.
What does the woman mean?
Do you know what time it is? Apakah kamu tahu jam berapa sekarang? I just heard the clock strike noon. Aku baru saja mendengar bahwa jam I just heard the clock strike noon. Aku baru saja mendengar bahwa jam menunjukkan setengah hari. What does the woman mean? Dikarenakan perempuan berkata bahwa strike noon. Berarti yang artinya itu adalah setengah hari. Jadi kita mencari yang cocok dengan setengah hari. A. It's hard to lock the room. Sulit untuk mengunci ruangan. Tidak. The clock was delivered on time. The clock tidak delivered, dikirim. Di sini tidak membahas dikirim. Someone struck the crockery and broke it. Seseorang merusak peralatan, tidak membahas peralatan. Dan it's now a midday. Mid adalah pertengahan, day adalah hari. Jadi jawabannya adalah di yang artinya sekarang tengah hari. Strike noon. It's now midday.
I'll be staying at the beach with my family during spring break.
So you did decide to take the trip after all. What did the man believe about the woman?
I'll be staying at the beach with my family during spring break. Jadi aku akan menginap di pantai bersama keluarga selama liburan musim semi, spring break. So you did decide to take the trip. Jadi kamu memutuskan untuk pergi melakukan perjalanan tersebut. What did the man believe about the woman? Apa yang diyakini pria itu tentang wanita itu? I'll be staying at the beach with my family. Aku akan menginap di pantai bersama keluargaku selama musim semi. So you decide to take the trip after all. What did the man believe about the woman? A. That she will take the trip. B. That she will go to the beach. C. That she really like the beach. D. That she will take a break from her study. Berarti di sini mencari jawaban yang berbeda. That she will take the trip. Di sini ada so you did decide to take the trip. B. That she will go to the beach. Di sini ada I'll be staying at the beach. C. Beach juga, berarti jawabannya adalah D, karena di sini tidak ada yang sama. A break. Oh, a break ada from studies. Mungkin karena di sini tidak membahas musim semi. Jawabannya adalah D.
Did your nieces and nephews like the gifts you got for them?
They couldn't have been more excited when they saw what I got them. What does the man say about his nieces and nephews?
Did your nieces and nephews like the gift you got from them? Apakah keponakan Anda menyukai hadiah yang Anda berikan? They couldn't have been more excited when they saw what I got them. Mereka sangat gembira saat melihat apa yang saya berikan kepada mereka. What does the man say about his nieces and nephews? Apa yang laki-laki itu maksud mengenai keponakannya? Dikarenakan the man berbicara bahwa they couldn't have been more excited when they saw what I got them. Mereka sangat excited, mereka sangat gembira dikarenakan melihat apa yang aku berikan kepadanya. Berarti jawabannya adalah A. They were disappointed. Mereka kecewa. B. They didn't get any gift. Mereka tidak mendapatkan hadiah apapun. C. They were unexcited. Mereka tidak bersemangat. D. They were really pleased. Mereka sangat gembira. Jawabannya adalah D.
Are you worried about having to give such a long speech in front of such a large audience?
I think I can pull it off.
What does the woman mean?
Are you worried about having to give such a long speech in front of such a large audience? Apakah Anda khawatir tentang memberikan pidato di depan audiens yang begitu banyak? I think I can pull it off. Aku pikir aku bisa melakukannya. What does the woman mean? Apa yang wanita itu maksud? A. She believes she can success. Dia percaya bahwa dia bisa berhasil. B. She decided to fall out of it. Dia sudah memutuskan untuk menarik diri. C. She want to put off the speech for a while. Dia ingin menunda pidatonya. D. She thinks his speech is too long. Dia pikir pidato dia terlalu lama. What does the woman mean? Apa yang wanita itu maksud? I think I can pull it off. Aku pikir aku bisa melakukannya. Berarti jawabannya adalah A. She believes she can success. Dia percaya bahwa dia akan berhasil.
There's a problem with your scholarship?
Unfortunately, I forgot to sign and date the documents before I returned them to the scholarship office, so the scholarship has been held up. I need to go into the scholarship office to resolve the problem.
What does the woman mean?
There's a problem with your scholarship. Apakah ada masalah mengenai beasiswa Anda? Unfortunately, I forgot to sign and date the document before I returned them to the scholarship office. Sayangnya, saya lupa mendatangani dan memberikan tanggal pada dokumen tersebut sebelum saya berikan ke pihak beasiswa. Jadi jawabannya adalah B. The document were returned to her with a signature.
Were the bills paid on time this month?
I wish they had been. What does the man imply?
Were the bills paid on time this month? Apakah tagihannya dibayar tepat waktu pada bulan ini? I wish they had been. Aku berharap demikian. What does the man imply? Sepertinya si pria tersebut memiliki keraguan. Jadi jawabannya bisa kita lihat dulu seperti A. He doesn't have time to pay the bills. Dia tidak punya waktu untuk membayar tagihan. B. Tagihan tidak dibayar tepat waktu. Of course, he paid the bills on time. Sudah tentu saja dia membayar tagihan tepat waktu. D. He will pay the bills for the last time. Dia akan membayar tagihan untuk terakhir kalinya. Dikarenakan si pria tersebut berkata bahwa saya berharap demikian. Jadi jawabannya adalah B. The bills weren't paid on time.
The lecture on the realities of entrepreneurship in the 21st century was really fascinating, wasn't it?
I'm not sure if it was or not. I didn't understand a word. What does the man mean?
The lecture on the reality of entrepreneurship in the 21st century was really fascinating. Ceramah tentang realita kewirausahaan di abad 21 sungguh menarik, bukan? Wasn't it? Bukan? I'm not sure if it was or not. Aku tidak begitu yakin menarik atau tidak. I didn't understand a word. Aku tidak mengerti sepatah kata pun. What does the man mean? A. He thinks the lecture was really interesting. Dia pikir ceramah itu sangat menarik. B. He's not sure if the idea are workable. Dia tidak begitu yakin ide tersebut bekerja. C. He understood nothing about the lecture. Dia tidak begitu mengerti apa yang ceramah tersebut katakan. D. He's not sure what the woman would like to know. Dia tidak begitu yakin apa yang perempuan tersebut harus tahu. Jadi jawabannya adalah C. He understood nothing. Memang kita mengira bahwa understood seperti understands kalimat yang sama, tapi understand dan understood berbeda. Understand mengetahui, understood tidak mengetahui. Jawabannya adalah C.
I forgot to send the scholarship application in on time.
You really missed the boat.
What does the woman say to the man?
I forgot to send the scholarship application in on time. Saya lupa mengirimkan lamaran beasiswa tepat waktu. You really missed the boat. Kamu benar-benar ketinggalan perahu. What does the man say to the man? Apa yang wanita tersebut katakan kepada si pria? A. He missed an opportunity. B. He was too late for his trip. C. He should take the next boat. D. He should send in his application. Seperti yang pernah waktu itu Bapak jelaskan bahwa dengan kalimat yang menyebutkan bahwa you really missed the boat bukan berarti benar-benar ketinggalan perahu, tetapi memfokuskan di sini di pernyataan yang pertama, yaitu yang I forgot to send the scholarship. Aku lupa mengirimkan lamaran beasiswa tepat waktu. Berarti jawabannya adalah A. He missed an opportunity. Dia kehilangan kesempatan karena dia kelupaan untuk mengirimkan lamaran beasiswa.
I don't think you heard what I said.
It wasn't that I didn't hear what you said. It was that I didn't agree with it.
I don't think you heard what I said. Saya pikir Anda tidak mendengar apa yang saya katakan. It wasn't that I didn't hear what you said. Bukannya tidak mendengar apa yang Anda katakan. It was that I didn't agree with it. Rupanya saya tidak setuju dengan hal itu. What does the man mean? Apa yang laki-laki tersebut maksud? A. He agree with what he said. Dia setuju tentang apa yang dia katakan. B. He thinks she didn't say anything. Dia pikir dia tidak mengatakan apapun. C. He couldn't hear what she said. Dia tidak bisa mendengar apa yang dia katakan. D. He did hear what she said. Dia mendengar apa yang dikatakannya. I was that I didn't agree with it. I was that I didn't. Jawabannya adalah D. He did hear what she said.
Will pick us up at 7:30 for the concert. That should give us plenty of time to get there.
So John is going after all.
What had the woman expected?
John will pick us up at 7:30 for the concert. John akan menjemput kita pukul 7.30 pada konser. That should give us plenty of time to get there. Itu seharusnya memberi kita cukup waktu untuk sampai ke sana. Jadi John akan pergi, so John is going after all. Apa yang diharapkan wanita itu? That John would pick them up for the concert. B. The concert would start earlier. C. That John would not be go to the concert. D. That they will be late to the concert. Berarti karena si John is going after all, jadi John akan pergi. Dikarenakan dia berharap seperti itu, berarti ini Antonym, berarti lawan kata. Berarti jawaban adalah C. That John will not be going on the concert. Jadi John tidak akan datang ke konser.
Did you enjoy the trip?
Not really. If the water hadn't been so rough and the boat hadn't rolled around so much, I would have enjoyed it more. What does the man mean?
Did you enjoy the trip? Not really. Apakah Anda menikmati perjalanannya? Tidak juga. If the water had been so rough and the boat had rolled around so much. Jika airnya tidak terlalu berombak dan perahunya tidak bergoyang, I would have enjoyed it more. Saya akan lebih menikmatinya. What does the man mean? Jika air tersebut tidak berombak begitu besar, aku akan... A. He enjoyed the trip immensely. B. The boat trip was really rough. C. He couldn't have enjoyed the trip more. The water was not very rough. Jawabannya adalah B. The boat trip was really rough. Perjalanan perahu itu sungguh sulit. Dikarenakan the boat had rolled around so much. Perahunya tidak terlalu bergoyang.